morning, and welcome back to Paradise Nation Originals, guys. Well, I know it's been a while, but yeah, this movie, The Bad Breeds. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys can have a wonderful, happy Independence Day. I hope you guys enjoy this movie. But before we go no further, just ensure you like the video, subscribe, share, and comment. We want to see a lot of comments. You understand? So we can get this video out. You get me? I say? But yeah, thanks to everybody who has been subscribing, who has been sharing the video, commenting, and sending all the love and support from all around the world. Thank you guys and welcome back to Paradise Nation Original. This is part one of the new movie, Bad Breeds. So hope you guys enjoy it and thank you guys again for watching. You understand?
Yo,
Come here.
nah, come.
Bomba, tama ito bago yun so. Agod mo.
Bad style me do a year. Bawa.
Si Frama may gala pa rin. Dari kaya love girl brother. Yo, you see I first girl and can me know hey come on dog. You do some things so you know. Yeah, I remember when when me and did a set up on practice with it. Did I do one day. I when we wake up in my guy, that we still in my bed. You remember the night that when me and you did set up the plan day? Yeah. Yo, you say anytime mommy come back, me I tell mommy, you know. I tell mommy. Brother, that girl that do everything we don't like. Brother. And it is disgusting. Every time I go in the bathroom, I not flush it. Every time somebody I fear what they do, so I put one clothespin on their nose, I wear so, and I flush the bathroom. I watch you, brother. Yo, yeah, alright. Yo, let me tell you what happened now. You see tonight, when he come back again, we are go, you see when daddy gone and he left me with him, we are go terrorize him a year. We are go trouble him and call him names a year. Tonight, me going it. A year. Disgusting, me brother. I go like everybody at me. Anima, everything when me have in the fridge. You remember I candy when me and you did a chair? When mommy send down. Yeah, we send down. With his best friend. Yeah, with his send down. With there it is sitting. And then that's a movie with there watch and with there it is sitting. And then when we say we don't want no, and then when me and you say we don't want no more, we go in there and it bag empty. Empty. But you know see a she. No, because no that tree. Brother, we must have security camera in there. So why you put up security camera in the middle? Because, yo, you see if he never come there, me won't put up no security camera. No. And when he come there and he come back and yard, me put up it before he come back. You know, me know. But she don't like, she don't like fast food. Or she don't like mixed vegetable. So you see, not she like, broccoli, not broccoli. Well, she like rice and peas. Or rice and peas. Curry chicken. So you go put, you go add so barbecue sauce for it. Sauce, remember saying no like barbecue sauce. And pepper we add. And put no, put cut up a pepper seed. Cut up a pepper, cut up a white. You could crush it up and throw in there and mix over the food, and then so anytime you start to think, we are going to throw it in white water out of the fridge, and we are go, and you see the pipe, we are go mash up here, and we are go, when daddy not there again, we are go call one plumber Betty come fix the back here, so people can burn him. Because she don't like KFC. KFC? I asked me this thing. And every KFC some panda. Yeah. Add some chili sauce. I hear? Huh? Add some chili sauce. You remember say a chili sauce I add this pepper and I just add that. I want to get the one chip challenge from mommy. We are going to trick her and I said what chips. Alright, you see? Brother.
AJ,
Yeah.
come here.
How come? Why get up? Daddy, I can't. Let me not know that one. Shut up. What's that?
Hear me, answer. Go over the shop over there, so. And go buy one bottle of water for me. Now listen to me. The man say no trouble him, you know. Me don't want to no trouble the man.
It's daddy.
You hear me say?
It's daddy.
Me not laugh today, you know. You laugh at me.
I study.
Come up, come man. Wally. Wanna go on?
Yeah, we are going to trouble. I come. She can help back here. Yeah, we can she can help back. Now we call him Shimba. That's why I'm going to do you power. Beach meeting. Not really. Yo, water. Yeah, man, give me water. You come man. He man did asleep.
Hey boy, you know so me I'll tell your father upon you. Me not sure if you are feel me now, but me sure know say you wanna feel me there, you know.
Shut up, your mouth.
How we are talk to? I go and warn no father about you, you know. How? Because me don't know which part this time I get across is Pitney from. Yeah? Which part you come from? Oh, Mr. Butler. Mr. Village Lawyer, what am to you? Come out here to me, man. Yo, you see you two bad breed pity them? When you have boy place here when you top terrorize me, if they wanna ever put back them foot over my shop, you will see. Them you know, just send them to come over there, come buy one water from you. Then what you talk about? I see them, you know. I take a little push snap. No, so for me son they not do that. What you say? Me just send them out of here a while ago figure buy water. Hey, man, listen to me, man. One of them me see there. And the mark X. Oh man, nobody with the foolishness, man. Left me picking them out to your name. If me pick them now do that. I water me send them to come by. Where then they? Hey Jay! Tashan! Me say, I sit down, you know, man. I take a little push snap. And the two little boy them just man, listen to me, man. You best thing you do, you go along over your shop, and that me I tell you, you hear? Alright, Mr. Butler, alright. And the last time me I come warn you, that's all me I tell you. You must want shot rain round on this backside. Last time me I warn you, know, Mr. Butler.
Rejoice and be glad, the Redeemer has come. Oh, look on his grave, his cross and...
Sister Williams, beg you a minute there. Beg you a minute there, Sister Williams, because...
Yes, sir. What it is? What it is all about now?
Like, Sister Williams, Mr. Butler have two pitney down there.
Where is it to me?
Jesus Christ, them is a menace to the community. If him not put them on leash, Miss Williams, them are going to be a problem to the community. Problem.
Then they're so bad.
Me say, Miss Williams, me say me down there, you know, down at my shop. And the two little boy them come there and bust something. Me drop off of the chair, almost broke my back.
And then I reach nowhere in our life, you think?
All the little boy them do is go around and terrorize people.
No, man, they have to put a stop into that. Yeah, they miss you with them and the police. Let them get trained now.
Listen, we need to probably call the policeman from the father and make some CDA come have some intervention over there. Because it's not nice for we as a decent citizens in the community, you know, to be living bad because of some picnic.
No, sir.
We don't want no hoodlums in this place because
it's a quiet little community and we don't want no all kind of ups and downs in it.
You think a little cane me cut for live run so? Eh? Because make people and them picnic come run me from here?
No, sir. You're supposed to be like that. If you ain't gone with the mother, man, they ain't not down there.
Him gone with the mother?
He must have gone with the mother.
Then them in the year say mother gone a foreign, man. Yeah, say mother gone a foreign. It's just Mr. Butler down there with them. But tell you, it's not even that, you know. Mr. Sister Russell, you know. After Sister Russell go to church
Mhm.
Sunday night, it's a taxi man, missy. She bring in her yard. Eh?
That no good. That is not good enough, man.
That no good.
No, sir.
And then them go to church and anybody come in there, you know. If she go to the pastor, she go to the pastor and chat anybody come in there.
No,
Like
sir.
she alone, the pastor must look up to. Eh?
Mm-mm.
And she alone a true offering and tithe a true.
No, sir. Everybody else are true.
Everybody a true. But no, because him go to the pastor with any little mix up on them and the pastor listen to it. Anything can go on, you know. But him not tell the pastor say at night time him have one little taxi man where come to him at night time. But him go there with people business
Right. And that no good at all.
and then you go say you go praise the Lord.
No, sir.
Eh? When the young girl ain't come in, them she run them out. Any girl come there and just look nicer than her, or put themselves together, she run them out.
No, sir.
You know nice.
I'm a Christian then.
And then say I'm a Christian.
Mm-mm.
And them people, they make people not go to church, you know.
True, man. True.
Them make people not go to church because them behavior. Them are not clean, them a do God's work.
And them are the right.
And them a do, you know want to see what them a do when night time.
Yes, sir.
You know want to see what them a do when night time come. But anyways, I they come go down at my shop, you see.
Okay.
I got lock up and ensure to them because I say, man, if them two little boy they ever come back over my shop, sister, you not gonna know what me go do with them. If them ever cross back foot come over my shop, I go warn your father today, you know, and your father tell me about gunshot, you know.
No, he mad.
Eh?
That's why I tell us if you get the police involved. If they can't hear, let them put it under control.
Listen, man, it's just a shame, man. It's just a shame we have to live in our community and the little people have them picking and can't control them.
Right.
I come terrorize me. Eh? Me not get the picnic because me never want none, you know.
No.
Because me can't manage them picnic.
Too much problem.
Too much problem. But anyways, I come good on, you see. Take care. And remember, you know, I want some, me run out a little coconut oil, so I go want some for my shop. So when I make another batch, me get some here.
All right, sir.
All right.
All right, Mr. Village Lawyer. I'll see you sometime.
All right. And they come good on, you hear?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So,
All the best. Yes.
right. So look more. As me say, we go want some more of the coconut oil.
All right.
You understand? Because my shop, they run out.
When me make some, you get it, man.
All right. And me mind out, them little ulums there, them watch them. Miss about the two pitting them. But anyways, not tell them, say I'm telling them about Sister Russell.
No, sir. No.
All right, later.
All right.
Under my bed. Under your bed, Granny. What you was doing on the bed at this time of day? Meditating. Meditating? Granny, what you know about meditating? Meditating on what? Meditating on the most important subject of the day. The most important subject of the day? What that? Born. But what a good enough can't find that mistake and go married to do it? Randy, you mean to tell me that before you find some work to do for your idle hands, you going on to the bed to meditate for fun? You see, Lou, born is a heavy thing, you know. You can't meditate and it's above bed. Next thing you know, you drop off a bed. Mr. Randy, and I'm out with no joke today. Now I'm going to ask you, Randy, a simple question. And please for a simple answer. Don't care how your question simple, my answer will be simpler. Thank you. Now, Mr. Randy, you see anything of my run cupboard key? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What time it was that you see my run cupboard key? Let us see now, about 10 o'clock, Easter last year.
Jesus. Yo! Kalani! Come on. Let me tell you something. me bicycle, take me bicycle. Yo, come on, me give you 5 minutes for give me a ride off a bicycle. I promise. Mm-hmm. Me give it when I come back from out, so. Wait a minute. You want to 5 minutes or not? Yeah. You give me? Yeah, come on. Wait. Give me a bicycle. Respect my general. Hey, hey. You. Not even 5 minutes. I'm gonna give him 5 minutes.
Hey boy, give boy a bicycle.
But you can't chat so village liar. You chat too much, man. You must put yourself in a problem. That's what I tell you, see.
Hey boy, it's who you are rank with.
Why are you?
Listen to me. You see you? Me don't know if your papa get it right pitney, you know.
You can't chat, sir. You chat too much.
Hey, you know, for make him body up for your bicycle, you know. Eh? Come for your bicycle, yeah. You know, for make him body up for your bicycle, you hear? Sit down, buddy.
I'm not giving him back.
Don't make him body up it. I fear it. You hear? I miss about that bad breed pitney them. You go on. You see you?
Tashan. No. You know, say we did a village liar, lad. I don't mean to do that. I can't do it, no. No. We're not free. Village liar. We're not free. Village liar, no. Village liar, no. Village liar, no. You're my one man. No. No. Stop
Hey, me catch you back over here. Hey, listen. Me say, me no want to know.
Me hate the money, I know. You're cross. We're not afraid of you.
You're not afraid of me? No worry yourself, no worry yourself. Me I gonna make sure say me get police involved. Hey honey. I was just calling you to let you know that I went to the machine this morning and the card wasn't working. And if you can go down to the bank and raise the limit.
What?
See if you can raise the limit. See if you can ask them if they can raise the limit for it.
I'll just take this time on me dry here. That's it.
No, no, honey. What I was talking. Remember last night was talking about the little transaction. And you said the bank blocked you from sending so much money.
Me and you have conversation about one last night. Most of the other woman do now. Me and you.
Hold on there. Anna Louise this.
No, no, Louis this. William Louis. So you're going with. I'm calling now.
Oh,
I'm a conversation about that.
oh, sorry. Actually, your number ain't kind of close, man. Oh, oh, Stacey, sorry about that, man. Sorry. Are you me did to call them, but that you never remember. May I try?
Excuse, don't call it excuse, you know what I got to.
All right. Sorry. My credit I got done here.
Yeah. You can me call it back. Wait.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, remember me did tell you say me want little babysitter. Yeah, man. You available? All right. You know which part behind me, right? All right. You go come on and then you company scheme and you go see one little one out of shop gate. Just a park up. One bike in the yard. All right. Yeah, man. As I say, me have a little date later. Have a little date. Mm-hmm. No, man, them pitney and they will behave, man. Them pitney and they not get no problem, man. Mm-hmm. All right. Then. All right, me I look out for you. All right.
Already. Alright, now. You hear Daddy say in how are they tonight? No. You never hear that? Daddy say how are they tonight? And him all left way. Out of Mr. Punani yard. I'm not go to Punani yard. That's me and Punani. No, brother. Punani has some food, brother. Yeah. He block. You block like how? Oh, every time you always put in if you cook, in even know if you cook with butter. Every time I so rice and baked bean. No one go there. Brother, anyhow that daddy carry no girl in the house. Me will call mom from my phone and tell him say, Mommy, I know say that left with a Mr. Punani and a grandpa date with a new girl. You know, see that girl, me tell mommy. That kind of color girl. One new girl in the area, you know, for Miss Grace, this so yeah, a Miss Grace daughter, and I mean, I wonder if Miss Grace knows the daddy a talk up to him daughter, and a young girl that and a brother, a girl about 19, and daddy older than him. But 19 adult brother. Me know the daddy about 52 or so, and him a 19. Yeah. Remember said daddy birthday gone for his third year. Oh, him a the 49. Yo, he knew me see that girl, brother, man, send him back. I know him pass through. Right, that's why we are send him back go so, then if go back also. That we are good. We are joke. I will run a son. Yeah, that's some bad bros. Yeah, bad boy. We run. Let me tell you something. But you are exposed to yourself because I'm not saying no bad duty. Let me tell you something. Make sure you keep it as a secret. Okay, I want good boy. But I see me have an eyeglass, me make it look like some nerd, but I'm bad and quiet. No, me I go buy one eyeglass too. That me. Can I say yeah, expose yourself? By the time you put on the eyeglass, everybody are gonna know see you. So what? Yo, I've been running around as well. Anybody who pass through and get to me, fire, some just send them back. So we are roll around us, so nobody. Nobody. You roll around us, so boy. Oh, we are done around us, so. What do you mean? I think we done again, we are done. Hey. I'm making you know, so I prince, so let me tell you boy. So anybody who come in us, so they have to lift up out of this, brother. We already have enough people for space. You see me, brother? Anybody who come on us, lift up. Anybody?
Hello.
Hello.
Me I call my name Mr. Butler. You know nobody when you so live around here, so?
Mr. Butler. Mr. Butler live around this, right? You see when you go there, so? Yeah, man, you just up east. Yeah, you always see one brew house and then you will tap and go over there and call it.
No, where so.
Hmm?
Can me just get a call and saying there was so many want a babysitter.
A babysitter.
So no know when?
No, no. We know where we live, but we don't remember direction. No, we not going.
So yeah, tell me say.
I still up in here, so yes, up in up on one blue oils. We want big truck in here.
Hey, me can buy there something. Every minute me have to go to the walk through the valley of the shadow of death. But alright, thanks.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Hello?
Mr. Butler?
Yeah.
Sir? Right now I'm not even know if it will because I'm there in the middle of nowhere. My past two little boys slung round a one corner. I ask them for and they send me way up on one part.
Eh, which part of it?
But they are Ruin River attraction. We up on one hill.
No, man, the pass the turn off, man. Is the pass the turn. Alright, stay away there. They come.
Alright.
Yeah, stay.
Oh, I forgot. Cheese! Cheese! Dutch farms. Go north. Dutch farms, sorry. Cheese green. Cheese green. Cheese green. Cheese green. Yeah, what am I top? What am I top? Move! Top. Well, bombard. Yo, then what can I start at? Am I in this, you know? I'm right. Then so what difference, nigga? If I ain't a problem, okay, chat too much. You what's up? You what's up? Take this. Do for your one. What? Do your one. Good. I'm test this as if it good. bed. What's that for me? The big one. Yo, put them. You must say a crave. The crave one also. Take the big one. Yeah, who was this brother when me have used this a crave? Yo, brother, want me to take my cook? Alright. Got cheese. Tears my wanna see. Manga berry this. Drink that. Ito manga berry. See you boy, you take my cup. I know say that I'm my favorite cup my daddy buy for my birthday. Yeah, girl. Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Me up my mother. A Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Yeah. I make you take my cup and my cup that. And look where you give me big old your cup. And you take one God. You wanga. Every day you go yani, you go you reach already. Me give you one boy I sit in your mafia already. Shut up. You remember I day when me give you sin in your mouth, you just near me off again. Already I want more. Sure, to wanga berry, man. You wanga berry, God. Legend, you could film one to in. You could this to in. Dog. Yes. Yes. Ay. What's the file?
Oh, boy, I reach far, man.
Reach far. Reach far. So right now I'm in a mood then. Not you feel like more bad stay with your pity them.
Boy, come here down there, me and say, I wish boy you there, and then me I try call her, but my phone dead.
Which part me them pass two little boys down from the corner around there so. I'ma ask them for you. They tell me say they don't nobody when name so. And they send me way up and they send me to something to make one turn out. I know I'm not the middle nowhere.
Alright, sorry about that, man. Come on, me go get you something.
Sorry, babe, I drop me in.
Drop you, me nah drop you, man. You can't hold.
Which part that me I go hold?
You can't sit down right here, man. You have to be comfortable. It's a big bar. You can't sit down on it. Come around the side here.
God.
Boy, sorry about that. You hear? Hold on. You have to hold on. You hear? Yeah. Hold on. Sorry. Yeah, man. I just said it, I go, man. Alright, that's all.
Round this me pass it to little bad picking.
Which part?
Right there, so.
Eh? I am and they make you walk all the way grown, so. Let me see if I. AJ! Come here, come. AJ! Deshaun! AJ! Deshaun! Come on, get up, man. Oi! Wanna take off the plate, them off by ground? Hello, me said me have a date. As me said me have a date later. Zane?
One on. I feel it open.
Yeah.
Have you been there?
Yeah.
Tell us that two little boys send me around one part around one place and me and me glad know we are then two ya. Then two bad broke picking ya.
Really? Eh? And that turn up on the road I do?
No, that somebody else. That I get Alex. One over here. I was trying.
You can't hide, no. You see if you are thinking, you can't hide. I did two of them. Then two ya.
Alright, go put on your plate. Go put on your plate in the kitchen. And wash them up too.
We don't talk about blue. No. Hey, you saying that mommy come back here? Tell mommy punish him. Tell him say I come woman in a house and a babe and a pay babysit. But if you come babysit with.
Hey, sorry about that. You can't believe. What? Listen, you can't stay with them for me.
Then till they come back.
Alright. Alright, so you can come make yourself a tour. Here. Hey boy, no, make sure you wash up everything in the kitchen.
If I'm on there, so Mr. Sultan. Oh, come on. And that you really idiot to know. Let big man I wash with you. I bet, yo. Idiot. You'll be up here. Clean up in our house. True. I never want him to run away from the man. Yes, yeah, true. I'm a father. And the last time, he wicked to know. You remember the when he buy Pepsi fee the money girl in me say he buy 4 Pepsi. True.
Marlene! Ma!
Yes. You're like fine.
Alright. Let's have an for later.
Yes.
Come on.
It depends on how you go with the kids then.
Oh, me get one babysitter over there now. She over there. So she go and get herself comfortable. You see me?
Alright, that good. So which way we go?
Anyway, out of this community, okay?
You can't then go see me. That makes it more.
And village lawyer is a man who know everybody business around the same.
It's true.
You know one thing you tell your mother nothing.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
I'm gonna give you look so.
Yes, sir.
It looks sad. Because you kind of you fake like somebody trouble you. Why you come here and talk up to it and ask me if we are right and them the thing there.
Now the company where I'm going to have a conversation with him. Only day if you see to the father come back.
Because we did run why you could joke with her, that's why You know, talk up to me. You beg for you come and just step on your phone. A chicky chick chick.
So is that your business?
Because I'm my house.
Oh, your house.
Mama say I not come from
Promise
here.
you, me know say you're trouble,
Huh?
I'm not gonna argue with you, because
Okay.
you're a big woman feel.
Come on, we say water.
That's all that it's for.
That's what you think.
Oh, so me think me not argue with you,
Argue with me. Say how much?
Me a big woman, why you want to know me ears?
Small ox fall big tree.
You know the meaning of that?
Yeah?
Why meaning of it?
When small ox cut down big trees.
What's the meaning of it?
Me no know.
Yeah, say it, I don't know the meaning though. Hello? Girl, what happened? You don't see me as if you tell her though? Yeah, girl.
The people look at you.
Well, you look good too.
Thanks, me try.
Yeah, try.
Yeah.
Say eat
If
already.
Granny ever see me in a day,
Don't worry about her, man. She probably run the front there.
she run up front, but she go come every minute when she not hear me. No, me not eat it or something. She ask me for the fear, so me come on her back.
Over me, there, I see me, I think, boy, you know. Someone come give a link, you know.
Well, I know this kind of risk if you come on her back, I come. Suppose somebody else you can check.
Eh?
Suppose somebody else you can check.
Well, them a time of day, everybody there work, man. We know when everybody are coming, you know. Everybody there work, you know. I just want to spend a little time with you, you
You
know.
know the simulator?
Alright, so, yeah, man, the babysitter over there now, I go and get herself comfortable.
Tio, everything. Look at no babysitter.
Hey. Father, God. Hey, come here. I'm gonna sketch you. Come in. I think yeah, come in. Let me close the end there. Let me close the end there.
Mother, Paul.
You know what I
Leave
Leave it. Let me close the end there. You know that's very important on the theory. When me close the end there.
You know, so come and show you where it is.
Show you where the I want. Let's see what to get your black for Get on.
Come and sit down here. Sit down here.
You don't want to tear up to me.
So you good to eat already?
No, not yet. But I gotta do something.
Alright. Now go back over here then I'll go and clean up the place and something like do a little work. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Hold on. Hello? Yeah. Where's the end though? Someone had just left out the house a while ago, me and then tear up your paper. And that's where so you please me I beg you. Just stay with them no man, no matter go away, man. Just stay. Please, me I beg you. Me even little extra me give you. Alright.
What she say? What she say?
She said she can't stay, she have to go back because it too little people them go in and bag and tear up in paper when you go to court.
No,
Eh?
that can't.
Just let them run there, you know.
So what we are gonna do? Park fast, remember, say
Yo, like,
maybe we could have dinner at your place, you know, we could have watched them.
no, so me can't, me can't, me don't care about this, man.
Why you say we don't want to cook and eat and watch them?
You know, village lawyer live right. You have a shop right across the road and he watch me business, man. Next
Well,
time you
that's
go
not
see.
true, that's not true. That's not true. So what we are gonna do, cause I already make plans, I already pick up, I already condition my mind for this.
Hold on, me want cousin wa police. Me have to probably call him and make him keep them up a station there for me, you know.
What? You think you would have done that?
Then where's my food? Me I tell him say them a get trouble. Because me tired of it. Me tired. I be a problem them a give. Not true, me not talk about it. You know. Sometimes me shame when some people come up me and just say, cause I know some me grow. And me no grow them so, but me no know what thing.
Alright, so if we make up our mind for now, we're gonna come and say a teeth like
Alright, yeah. Me nah make them broke up for me, pan. Me nah make them broke up for me. So yeah, we still on. Listen, what time are you ready?
like me say, I already condition my mind, so anytime I get the chance to let them drop. Alright, you see, as soon as you drop them off, you can call me.
Alright.
The time don't really matter, cause remember, I'm gonna go to church.
Alright, 8 o'clock.
Alright.
8 o'clock. Yeah? Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I couldn't spend little that longer
Well,
time.
you know I work early.
You sleep over later?
Yeah. Oh, we can sleep over.
So you can't just spend a little night and go.
You now put me in a trouble. See, you go make a Sunday sleeper station?
Then why is my food up? Me make them sleep there.
Alright, we figure it out. We are gonna just work with the flow and see you night go.
Alright.
Later.
Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Sexy, you know. I'm no weird enough here.
Alright.
It's what kind of ice cream have in there?
Banana split.
Oh, come on, Thai Road. Come on, Thai Road. Come on, Thai Road. Come on, Thai Road. I borrow a taxi and a film car.
Now fudge.
In where say
A
have?
banana split, me a fudge.
You know, hear you.
Banana split, fudge, ice cream.
Eh?
Banana split.
Nah, hear you. Lock off the music then. In where say?
Banana split, fudge, ice cream sandwich.
Banana
That's
split, fudge, ice pickle, and you know, a rum and raisin.
No.
You know, yeah.
Okay.
No, man, bad man and them drumstick. You have rum and raisin?
No.
What you say? Banana split.
Yes.
How that the one you go?
This is nice. 200 and 2.
Banana split tastes nice.
I want only fudge like Mr. Young lady.
Ah, yeah, give me one of them. Give me one of the fudge them, yeah?
Yeah.
Why is this long time I don't see you pass through around your door? No, nobody come past Sunday again. You
Huh?
picking them, look how long you picking them and say they want ice cream and can't see you. No, you know the chocolate one.
Finish. I see the look at the same one here. What? Hold on.
Yeah?
Every week we come them assignment.
Oh, every night evening. Alright, don't forget come man because the presence of the ice cream man needed in the community, you know?
That one here.
You know the chocolate one. Alright, thank you. Me retake this. Alright, yeah. That me tell you, you see, you say no, I put yourself in trouble. Eh? You see, one no, I put yourself in trouble. Hey, nah, Ram put on you know. Let me make sure I tell you that. See there. A police come at me yard now. Eh? See police say come at me yard now, if you know. What do you mean, please, no like. Jail book.
Not food them a good thing.
Uno come. Uno come. Well, on this we teach, you know. Yeah? This we teach, you know. This we teach, you know. Say. Come. Please, daddy. Please, daddy. Me tired of chat to you. Me tired of chat to you. Just deal with them, Miss Officer. Get them going to correction and place go. Hey, boy. Boy, in that car. You think someone gonna put me in a lot of trouble? Eh?
Yeah, man, to be able to serve.
Yo, thank you, yeah, sir.
boss.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Because me tired for everybody run a sort. I come report to me. Them bust up people face all sort of man, tell them go along, man. Tell them go along.
All right.